Hi, and welcome to Unit 2. I am Dr. Bishop, and I just want to congratulate you on successfully completing that first unit and moving into the second one. As you know, there are 3 units, so you are about halfway there now. I wanted to take a couple of minutes and remind you of a couple of things before you get started in Unit 2. The first thing is that from the homepage, please always use the Course Materials tab to use the table of contents to navigate throughout the entire course. The overview here shows you've already completed this. Unit 2, this is what you'll be working on. Table of contents, start at the top and work your way down. Remember that it's important to work in order so that new materials open when they're supposed to. If you jump around, you actually delay your progress. The second thing that I wanted to remind you of is the etiquette for communicating with your professors in the course. So if you are communicating with me via email, or if we're talking on the phone, or if we're Zooming or whatever, because you know I have a doctorate, you call me Dr. Bishop. With our 2 graduate assistant professors in the course who are still working on their doctorates, you will call them professor plus their last name. This is just a reminder to get you used to calling your college professors professor plus last name. I would like for you to not use Mr. or Mrs., as that is not appropriate in the college classroom. So there is your reminder for the day, and here is your congratulations one more time, and I'm excited to see what you do in Unit 2.